Hey, gu- hey guys, I've got a book here, and it's called Gravity's Rainbow, and it's by a man called Vintage Pynchon, and it's the greatest, wildest author of his generation. We could tell you the year is 1944, and that the main character is called Tyrone Slothrop, and that he is a problem because bombs are falling across Europe and crashing to Earth at the exact locations of his sexual conquests, but that doesn't really begin to cover it. Reading this book is like falling down a rabbit hole into an outlandish, sinister, mysterious, absurd, compulsive netherworld. As the Financial Times said, you must forget earlier notions about life and letters, and even the novel 40 years since publication. Gravity's Rainbow has lost none of its power to enthrall. And I really liked this book. I thought the characters were good, and I really enjoyed the writing. And I enjoyed the book, and I'd give it 10 out of 10. Thanks.